What's up, everybody? Remington from Sprocket Talk, aka Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to let your prospects choose between a meeting or a live chat with a HubSpot bot.
Are you a HubSpot user looking for fun and interactive education that helps you be better at HubSpot? Then welcome to Sprocket Talk.
All right, so as we jump into a conversational marketing type message, there's going to be two major intents that are happening. One is that prospect needs information right away, and maybe they want to buy right away. And then the other one is maybe they just want some quick information to throw the ball over into your court so that a meeting can be booked and a follow-up can happen. There can be a lot of different variations, but one of the things we want to make sure of is making sure that prospects are able to choose their adventure, if you will. And what we can do is show you how to do that right within the HubSpot bot framework. So what you see here is I have created a bot conversation flow, and I've done a couple things here. So as we scroll through, you'll see that it's asking for some qualification information, it's asking for their information, and then what it's doing is it's giving the option to chat or have a live meeting. When we're here, you'll notice that we've got the book a meeting, and then we've got the agent handoff. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a conditional if-then statement that allows for, if they say yes, they wanna speak to chat with someone, and no, they want to just schedule a meeting, we'll allow for them to go in either of those directions. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna highlight over the conditional question that you're going to reference. And in this case, we have chat or the meeting. And what we have is, we have a yes or no. This should be a let's chat and let's book a meeting. So we have these two options, let's chat or let's book a meeting. Now what we can do is we can come up here to the if-then branch. You have the option to choose the user's response, or you could reference this off of an already existing contact property. For this example, we're going to use the user's response, and you have the option is any, isn't any, doesn't start with, ends with. And for this use, what we're doing is we're doing it based off of a button input, and so that button input is going to be pretty well defined. So is yes. If the user's response is yes, then what we want to do is we want to go to the book a meeting option. Then we can hit save. Then what we can do is we can add another if-then branch, and we can do if the user's response is no, then we want to go to the agent handoff. And now what we've done is we've allowed it to give the conditions of what the next step would be within this conversation. So that's it. It's super simple. You can get more conversational around these messages by thinking about the different ways that the branches of your conversation can leg off. And HubSpot allows, with the conditional if-then statements, for you to really start to branch off into areas that would really help others. Start small and start trying to look at how conversations are influenced by your prospects as they're going through the flows, and make changes from there.